First, I'm going to take this white pencil by Crayon Khol, and I'm going to use that to draw a circle through the middle of my face, and this is going to be our hollow. And then I'm going to take a jumbo eye pencil by NYX in the color Melt, and I'm going to thicken 1/2 of the circle. And then I'm going to draw a semicircle through the middle of the face, and this is going to help map out our coloring for later. Next, I'm going to be taking the Ben Nye Magicake Aqua Paint in the color Licorice Black, and I'm going to use a flat eyeshadow brush, and this is a water activated paint, so all I did was dip my brush into some water and then rubbed it into the paint and applied it straight to my face. Now I'm just going to be shading in that 1/2 of my face. And because this is a watercolor paint, it is totally safe to use around the eye and mouth area. And once that's all finished, I'm going to go ahead and take the Wolfe Hydrocolor in the color 030, which is a bright red color, and I'm just going to be taking that on a detailed liner brush. And then I'm just going to take another flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to shade in the whole area. And then to darken up my eyebrow and make it blend in just a little bit more, I'm going to take this Ben Nye lip color pencil in the color red, and I'm just going to run that backwards and forwards through my brow. And then I'm going to be taking the Mayron Clown White makeup, and I'm just going to be using another detailed liner brush, and I'm just going to dip that in to the cream color, and I'm going to create some highlighted strokes through the red half of the face. And then this is just going to create a little bit more depth and dimension to our hollowed look and create more of a fleshy inside. And then I'm just going to inline our black just to create a little bit of contrast. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of that black on a detailed liner brush, and I'm going to contrast that through the white as well. And I'm just gonna keep going backwards and forwards between the white and the black, making various shades and creating these long, quick strokes through the face. And once you're happy with how the lines look, your look is complete.